In this video, we will learn how to take support chip and how to check logs in the Jira. Okay, so if something went wrong, the system was down for the some specific time, it got crashed or any help you needed, like any functionality is not working. So that time, if you are creating the vendor ticket, if you are creating the Atlassian ticket, so how they are going to help it? What they will ask? So they will ask generally for the support chip and theorms. To support zip, you should be upload whenever you are creating the ticket. So you should upload the support zip so they can check all the logs. So we will check how to check all those things, how to check your system and all. What you have to do, click on cog button, go to system. Under system support, here there is an option that is troubleshooting and support. Here you can check first instance health. You can check all the things are getting checked in every 5 minutes. Okay, and here they are checking like what are the administration things are there, duplicate users accounts is there, if anything, if your audit log capability they are checking, indexing are checking, free space databases are checking, support platforms are checking. So everything it's checking automatically. If something will fail, you will get a notification for it. Okay, log analyzer. So this is log, standard log, it will check. Okay, if I want to check anything, just click on scan. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, let it take, and after that it will show you if any problem is there. Okay, threat diagnostics. Okay, behaving unexpectedly, if you want to check, so if you want to clear the threats, so you can check it from here. Get help. So here the documentation part is there, like how to steps by steps. Troubleshooting part is there, processing and license are there. So if you want to create any tickets, you can create it. Just click on it here and it will create the tickets. Okay, see, it's asking for attach support zip, create support zip. So under support zip you can create support zip. Here you can customize as well, because you cannot upload more than 25 MB file in the a ticket. There is another website are there, so there you need to click on that and you need to. So you can customize as well which log you want. You want to include health checks, if you want to exclude it, access log if you want to remove it, theorms if you want to generate and remove it. So I am adding all the things. Just click on save. Let's check log analyzer. So in this log analyzer you are seeing these things are happening. Okay, this is last occurrence, when it got happened, what are the matches are there. Okay, is it high, is it medium, is it low, everything you will get, what type of filters. Okay, this is the info, this is the info, this is the error. While re-indexing data for the sorting plugins, so it's giving the problem, it got fixed in this one. If you want to check this log analyzer in every specific time and you want the mail, so just click on the periodic scan. Okay, here you can add a mail server, so in every mail you will get, like I want these things in every 7 a.m. so if 7 a.m. you will get the email. Okay, you will get the email, and after that this all the logs whichever is creating over here, it will send in the email. Create support zip. So I have customized it. Now I'm clicking on the create support zip. It will take also some time, and after that support zip will create. Support zip you can download it in your system, and after that you can upload the same support zip in the ticket also. Okay, let it be. Logging and profile. Under logging and profile, sometimes if they are not happy with the support zip, and because they are not able to catch some problem, they are not able to get some logs and all. So in that scenario they will ask you to enable some things, like enable http log, because currently it's off. Okay, SQL logging currently it's off. These are the processes are there, this is off. If you want to configure anything, you can add the package name, what if the logging is down, you want check the error, you want to debug, just click on that logging label and add it. So it will take. If you want to off, just click on the off. Okay, currently for this one Atlassian performance, it's info, logging label is info. Okay, if you want to off, just click on off. So this is off now. Okay, let it be info. So like this you can give it. So once you will select it, and after creating the support zip, these things will also catch up. Okay. Database monitoring. Under this database monitoring, you can monitor your databases, how many connection pools are there, how it's happening, and what are the problems are there. Same thing JML Explorer, if you want to enable it, you want to enable it. Okay, let me check the support zip. Create support zip, let it be. Okay, my support zip got created. When it where it got saved, it got saved in this location in the my server. If I want to check, I can go there and check it. I want to download in the my local system, so how I can do that? Just click on download zip, so it will download it over here. Okay, if you will open this support zip, let me open. So in the finder, okay, double click. Okay, so under this one you can see all the details are there, application config are there. Okay, and application config, application health check, etc, every details are there. Okay, tomcat health is there. So this is creating the log, Catalina out log is there. Okay, double click on it. So it's not, I don't have the application to open this one, but like this the support people, the vendor people will check it out. So like this you can do that one. So it's a very important to how to check, how to create a support zip, how to download the support zip, etc. Thank you for watching.